That was a good sound. That was half hiccup, half cough. It's a good sound. Sound like you just killed Anakin's mother. And I got a snort? Where'd that come from? Y'all just making all the noises. Sounds like we're pig hunting. It's just... He's in the bushes. Get your knife. Get him. But if you all close your eyes and listen to that sound, you saw the same shit I did. Don't add a third movement to the... I'm having a tough enough time conducting an orchestra of two. You gonna add a third frog sound to the mix? Nice. I want y'all like keypads. I want to be able to hit you on call and just play a trap beat. Like we could do Queen's We Will Rock You. You put your frog where the clap goes, and then we'll all... Buddy, you're a frog. All right,